I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Virtual Desktop Streamer on your PC and enabling developer mode on the Quest 2. This gives the app permissions it needs. Once done, connect both devices to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for low latency, or plug a USB-C cable if you want wired stability. Make sure GPU drivers are updated and heavy background apps are closed, because streaming needs consistent performance. This first step gets your devices talking and prevents common frame drops. Now configure streaming inside Virtual Desktop and on the Streamer app. Pair by entering the code shown on PC into your Quest. This establishes the secure connection. Then choose a bitrate and refresh rate. Start conservative, test, and raise settings until you hit a balance between clarity and latency. If you plan to play Steam VR games, enable the Steam VR integration or beta option and 6do tracking so controllers map correctly. Adjust audio routing to PC for game sound. These mid-steps fine-tune quality and input reliability. Finally, launch Steam VR or Oculus PC apps through Virtual Desktop and confirm controller input and audio are correct. Start with a short game or demo to confirm performance, then tweak bitrate, asynchronous reprojection, or automatic quality settings to reduce judder. If tracking or sound behave oddly, restart the streamer service and the Quest app. One key troubleshooting tip: if wireless lag persists, check for Wi-Fi congestion and switch channels, or use a wired USB-C connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.